like someone's there behind you in the dark. A fight for survival. Fight for survival.
Maraming salamat sa Panginoon din na binigyan ka ng isa pang year na birthday mo. Ngayon ay hindi lang birthday ito. Dito lang kami ni mami mo na sumusuporta sa'yo. So, yun, lagi mo lang tatandaan na nandito lang din kami, hindi lang kami, kahit mga nagmamahal sa'yo. Ingatan mo din yung mga sarili mo kung gaano yung pag-iingat namin sa'yo. Alam mo na sitwasyon ngayong sa nangyayari sa mundo. Siyempre, ayaw namin na may mangyari sa'yo masama. Yun, lagi namin pinaprotektahan. Ayun, lagi mo lang tatandaan na mahal na mahal ka namin.
Hand on the throttle, thought I caught lightning in a bottle. Oh, but it's gone again. And it was written, I got cursed like Eve got.
Happy birthday, baby teeth! Stay baby shark! We love you! Happy birthday, Mom!
Pat around when I get home. I guess a lesser woman would have lost hope. A greater woman wouldn't beg. But I looked to the sky and said, please, I've been on my knees. Change the prophecy.
Happy 18th birthday, Ribbon! Love you!
Let it once be me. Who do I have to speak?
Confident and wala, masaya. Kasi nasa panibagong chapter na ako na buhay ko. First and foremost, kay God kasi lagi niya akong ginagabayan sa mga ginagawa ko sa buhay ko. And syempre sa parents, sa lifetime love and loving home na binigay nila sa akin.
Please, I've been on my knees. Change the prophecy. Don't want money, just someone who wants my company.
Happy 8th birthday, Yana, sa aming unika iha. Ang wish namin sa'yo, matupad mo lahat ng mga mabubuting hangarin mo sa buhay. Siyempre, hindi lang ikaw yan, kundi humingi ka sa tulong ng Panginoon. Siya ang una, ang palagi mong maasahan. Kaya, prayers, huwag makakalimot at ipagtagubilin mo, itiwala mo lahat ng gagawin mo sa Panginoon.
Made to wait, I'm so afraid. I sealed my fate, no sign of soulmates. I'm just a paperweight in shades of gray.
Sana, kung paano ka namin inaalagaan ng daddy mo sa mga pangaral namin, yun yung madala mo habang lumalaki ka pa. Kasi papasok ka sa adulthood. Maraming mga sagabal, maraming magiging trials, pero lagi lang kami nandito sa tabi mo. Hindi kami magsasawang mahalin ka, pangaralan ka, at i-provide ng lahat ng makakaya namin na ibigay sa kanila.
Please, I've been on my knees, change the prophecy. Don't want money, just someone who wants
I'm so
my
grateful and thankful to have you in my life, really. Thank you so much for being true to me. Thank you just by existing, and thank you so much for everything.
the prophecy. Who do I have to speak to?
Happy 18th birthday, Yana. We love you.
The prophecy. Hand on the throttle, thought I caught lightning in a bottle. Oh, but it's gone.